Here we have a 2016 Axis A22. Comes with the dual axle trailer. Super nice colorway with the red and black. Give you a quick look around the outside and we'll head on into the inside. As we get into the interior here, you got your nice ski pylon. Lots of seating. You do have your arch with the wake tower racks on both sides. Here on the dash, you have a nice kicker sound system. Does come with the mirror. You also get the removable bow filler seat in the front. It's a really great boat. Come take a look at SkipperBud's Cass Lake.